Hello everybody, it's Alex Ihama, the author of the book, Welcome to Greatness, a coach and a speaker and the president of the International School of Greatness. For over the last 2 decades, I've been fortunate enough to be a coach to senators, to TV personalities, NBA players, to people who have reached the top of their game. I've worked with and for organizations to increase profit to the tune of over 400%, working in project over $1 billion. I've been fortunate enough to speak to youths and to groups of men and groups of women. I've been around the world speaking to heads of state and senators in Malawi, Nigeria, Ghana, in Jamaica, in the US and in Canada. Why am I telling you all this? I'm telling you all this to say we have decided to package that much knowledge and wisdom, that much tools and strategies and techniques into a 28-day program, a 28-day program just for you, a program that will renew your mindset, develop your skill set and equip you with tool set to break through your challenges, to achieve your dream, to energize your marriage, energize your relationships. This is a program for those who are willing to reach the core of their existence, for those who are tired of being tired, for those who want transformation, for those who want to make an impact, who want to achieve their dreams, for those who want to generate influence and increase their income. This is the program just for you, the Greatness Expedition. Remember, the greatest journey you will ever take in life is not to the Bahamas, is not to Jamaica, even though I've been in those nice places, is to the core of your existence. And that is what this program is about. If you are ready for the next level, if you are ready to attain the height of your existence, if you are ready to conquer yourself, if you are ready to be more, to have more, to give more, and to do more, I invite you today. Visit greatnessexpedition.com. It's Alex Ihama, and I look forward to seeing you at the expedition.